Hello boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Primath Zoom. In this lesson, we will be exploring total surface area and in particular of the cuboid. So let's dive right in. First, we need to know what is the total surface area. The total surface area of a solid is the sum of all the faces or surfaces that enclose the solid. So if you look here to your right, you will see some examples of solid. So since we're going to find the total surface area of cuboids, we need to know what a cuboid is. A cuboid is a three-dimensional shape which consists of 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Look at this picture to your right. That's an example of a cuboid. So let us work out this example of how to find the total surface area of a cuboid. Remember that a cuboid has 12 edges, 8 vertices, and 6 faces. So here we're going to ensure that we find the area for all the faces. So let us first identify the dimensions. Here we have 10 centimeter, and this dimension we can call it the length. So the length is 10 centimeters. And all of these identified in blue are lengths. All of them measure 10 centimeters. Right here measures 6 centimeters, and we will call this dimension the breadth. So all of these areas identified with green are also breadth, and they all measure 6 centimeters. Then we have the height. 7 centimeter represents the height. All these areas in red are heights, and they all measure 7 centimeters. Now, to find the total surface area, we must find the surface area of each face. So we're first going to find the surface area for the base. And here, identified with 1, this area here is the base. But if you look at this cuboid and any other cuboid, the face opposite is always the same area. So the base and the top have the same surface area. So to find the surface area for the base, we need to multiply the length by the breadth, and that is 10 centimeters by 6 centimeters. And this will give us 60 squared centimeters. Now remember that the base and the top have the same measurement. And so in order to find the area for these two here, we just need to multiply the area for one by 2. So surface area for those two faces would be 2 multiplied by 60 squared centimeters, and that would give us a product of 120 squared centimeters. Let us move on to another face. So let us look at the face at the side here. We're going to identify it with 3. And this face here has dimensions breadth and height. So 6 multiplied by 7 will give us the area for this face. But remember that the face opposite to this one is also 6 multiplied by 7. They're the same surface area. So over here where we have 4, these two faces have the same surface area. So surface area for the face labeled 3 would be 6 centimeters multiplied by 7 centimeters, which would give us 42 squared centimeters. Let us look at how to find the total surface area for these two faces. So we're going to find the surface area for these two faces by multiplying the area for one face by 2. And this will be 2 multiplied by 42 squared centimeters, which would give us 84 squared centimeters. All right, so let us move on to the other faces. So here we have a face labeled 5, and I have back there because this represents the back of the cuboid. And we also have 6 front, which is the front of the cuboid. Remember that the face opposite to a particular face is the same surface area of that face. So the back, whatever measurement we get for the surface area, is also for the front. So at the back, the dimensions that we need here will be the length at the bottom, which is 10 centimeters, and the height, which is 7 centimeters. So the surface area there would be 10 centimeters multiplied by 7 centimeters, which would give us 70 squared centimeters. And since the front is the same surface area as the back, we need to multiply it by 2 so that we can get the surface area for both back and front. So 2 multiplied by 70 squared centimeters will give us 140 squared centimeters. Now that we have found the surface area for all the faces, we just need to add them all. 120 squared centimeters plus 84 squared centimeters plus 140 squared centimeters. And that gave us a total of 344 squared centimeters. Now, there are some important formulas to remember. So the first one is to find the surface area of the base and the top. We just need to multiply the length and the breadth and then multiply by 2. To find the surface area for the left side and the right side, we just need to multiply the height and the breadth and then multiply by 2. And to find the total surface area of the front and the back, we just need to multiply the height and the length and then multiply it by 2. So now we would be where we need to find the total surface area for the cuboid. And in so doing, we need to sum all of these previous calculations, and that will give us the total surface area for the cuboid. Now it is your turn, and I want you to find the total surface area of the box below. Now this box holds a shampoo bar, and remember, cuboids are all around in our environment. So for example, even our toothpaste box is a cuboid. So we can find different cuboids in our environment, such as this box of shampoo bar. So I want you to find the total surface area and leave your answers in the comment, and I'll give you a feedback. Thank you for exploring with me today. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.